Imagine looking up at the night sky, and instead of our familiar moon, you see Mars, Jupiter, or even Saturn with its majestic rings. What would happen if other planets replaced our moon? How would it change Earth, life, and our view of the universe? Let's start with understanding what role the moon plays in our daily lives. It's more than just a beautiful sight at night. The moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, controls ocean tides, and affects ecosystems across the planet. But what if we swapped our moon for something else? Let's begin with the smallest planet, Mercury. If Mercury replaced the moon, it would be quite a small sight in the sky. Mercury is about a third the size of Earth's moon, so it wouldn't appear as bright or as big. But Mercury's gravitational pull would be much weaker than the moon's, which means Earth's tides would drastically shrink. Coastal ecosystems that rely on the ebb and flow of tides would struggle, affecting marine life and even humans. Next up, Mars. If Mars replaced the moon, things would get a lot more exciting. Mars is about twice as far from Earth as the moon, but it's still significantly larger. You'd see a reddish, dusty planet looming in the sky. The tides on Earth would be slightly larger, but not drastically different. However, seeing Mars up close might spark a deeper curiosity about space exploration. Imagine watching Martian dust storms from Earth. What if we replaced the moon with Venus? Venus is similar in size to Earth, so it would appear huge in the sky. But don't let its beauty fool you. Venus is covered in thick clouds of sulfuric acid and has surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. With Venus so close, Earth's tides would be much more dramatic, leading to massive coastal flooding. Not to mention, Venus' bright, reflective clouds would make nights far less dark. Sleep patterns for both animals and humans could be thrown into chaos. Now, let's get serious. What if Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, took the moon's place? Jupiter is 11 times the diameter of Earth, so it would dominate the sky, appearing unimaginably huge. You could even see its swirling clouds and famous Great Red Spot with the naked eye. But here's the problem: Jupiter's massive gravitational pull would wreak havoc on Earth. Tides would be catastrophic, flooding coastlines with enormous waves. The extra gravitational force could also disrupt Earth's orbit and axial tilt, causing extreme weather events and even climate shifts. Plus, Jupiter has dozens of moons. We'd see them circling the gas giant like a cosmic dance, but their gravity could also impact Earth's stability. What about Saturn, the Lord of the Rings? Saturn would be a beautiful sight in the night sky with its magnificent rings stretching across the horizon. While it's not as massive as Jupiter, Saturn is still over 9 times the size of Earth. The gravitational effects would be similar to Jupiter's, massive tides and extreme weather. But those rings wouldn't last forever. Eventually, Earth's gravity could destabilize Saturn's rings, pulling them toward our planet. Over thousands of years, those icy particles might rain down on us in spectacular showers. Neptune and Uranus are the farthest gas giants, but they're still huge. Either of these icy planets replacing the moon would cause similar effects as Jupiter and Saturn: massive tides, a destabilized Earth, and dramatic shifts in climate. However, both Neptune and Uranus have a bluish hue, so the night sky would have a ghostly, blue glow, making for a hauntingly beautiful but chaotic sight. As fun as it is to imagine other planets taking the moon's place, we'd lose something special. Our moon is perfectly suited to keep Earth stable, control our tides, and give us the gentle, glowing night sky we know and love. So while a sky filled with giant planets might seem exciting, the reality would be far more dangerous for life on Earth. Maybe it's best we stick with the moon we have. What other cosmic what-ifs do you want to explore? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating space content.